when a collision risk is identified, hesitation can make the situation worse. Rule 8 explains how vessels must act to avoid a collision, early, decisively, and safely. Rule 8 tells us that any action to avoid a collision must be timely, positive, and consistent with good seamanship. That means making maneuvers that are clear, purposeful, and obvious to other vessels. A small, uncertain turn can confuse other operators. A decisive turn communicates your intention. Avoiding a collision can involve altering course, reducing speed, or stopping altogether. The chosen action should create a substantial and visible change in your vessel's movement, something that removes any doubt about your intentions. Slowing down is often the safest choice, especially when visibility is limited or traffic is dense, but sometimes altering course provides a quicker and clearer message to other vessels. When overtaking a vessel, maintain speed and direction. Above all, Rule 8 emphasizes that once action is taken, you must monitor its effect. Continue to assess whether the risk has been eliminated. Imagine two powerboats converging. The giveaway vessel makes an early and significant turn to starboard. The stand-on vessel sees the change in heading immediately. This is Rule 8 in action: decisive, timely, and safe. Or take a situation where a slow-moving vessel unexpectedly appears from behind a point of land. Reducing speed early gives everyone more room to maneuver. Rule 8 is about clarity and seamanship. When a collision risk appears, acting early and decisively keeps waterways predictable and safe. Make your maneuvers obvious, make them in time, and always confirm they're working.